So like this and this, I will share how to add rainbow gradient color to text in Canva. So first will be a tough process, it will be a bit time taking, but the second process will be a lot easier one, and it will be the main gradient part which will be following in the second process. So please follow along. Okay, so recently one of my latest design which I posted the tutorial a few days back, this went viral in Canva tutorial group, and it got 1.1k reactions, 54 comments and 197 shares. So thanks to all of you for reacting and sharing this post. And in this post, one person named Angie Benjamin, I hope I am pronouncing it right, asked what about how to make rainbow fonts on Canva. So for this, I will be sharing both the process. The first one will be the font process, as I have shared in the main intro of this video, and the second one will be the gradient part. Okay, so I have already taken permission from her if I can post her name in this video, so I am just sharing it, and let's work on the text part. Now this is the text here. So first I will make the color black for this effect. So first one, I will go with the text and add a heading and click on R. Okay, and individually I have to write rainbow. Okay, so let's do it. So I have written rainbow. Let's just space them evenly, and let's just tidy up. Okay, so this one is done. Now I will just make them bigger, and let's just reduce the space for all of them because I don't want to keep the same space because it is too lengthy for me. So I will keep it as 27. Okay, so let's make it bigger now. Okay, and this one is set. After that, just change the font to Archivo Black. Click on change all, and it is a much bold font, so I am using that. And now I will change it to the visual color or the rainbow color. So for that I have selected a website which will have the color code, so I am selecting it one by one. So as I said, it will be a bit time taking, so that's the thing. So as you can see, the rainbow letter is here, but as you can see, it is a rainbow font and not a rainbow gradient part. So this is the first process, and this doesn't include the gradient part. So the second process will be including the gradient part. Okay, so for that I will go to add page, and with this, keep it in mind that this will be the second part. Okay, so I will write rainbow together this time. Okay, and just make them bigger, and again I will change the font to Archivo Black and just make it in the same line, make them slightly smaller so that they can be allocated in the same line. Okay, so after that I will go to elements, and here I have already selected rainbow gradient, rainbow textured background, which you can see, and it is free to use for all users, and it will be used by me, and I will right click it and bring to front, and I will rotate it to 90 degrees, and after that I will make it bigger and fill up the whole of the canvas. Okay, and just decrease the transparency to check if it is working or not. So it is working fine. So after that I will just click on it, Ctrl X to cut it, and just paste it in the second page. Okay, and after that I will download the page 2 and 3. Okay, so I will just make it center and just download the second and the third page. Make sure it is in PNG, and let's download the page 2 first. And next I will download the page 3. Okay, so the downloading is complete. Now I will bring both the pages to the canvas. Okay, and I will just go to apps. Here write blend and click on image blender. And in the bottom layer, select this texture, and in the upper layer, select this one. And as you can see, the image is ready, and I will add page and add this design. Okay, so this is a gradient font which you can be using in any type of design. And as you can see currently, as it is a white background, you can change the background, but one step will help you change the background, which is you have to just do background removing. And here it is ready. So the rainbow font effect or the rainbow gradient font making is also done here. So I have shared you both the processes, and please let me know in the comments which process you like the most. And I have a small request to all of you, which is if you like the tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, and your subscribing and supporting my channel will help me grow my channel and answer your questions, the queries. And through this channel I can make you learn new types of tutorials and new types of design. Hope you like this tutorial and follow along for more videos like this. Thank you.